Plants. You must have seen various kinds of plants in your surroundings, such as home, in school, in your neighborhood, etc. You must have noticed that plants are of different shapes and sizes. A plant has many parts. Each part performs a different function. Parts of a plant. Roots. The roots help to fix the plant in the soil. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil for the plant. Stem. The stem holds the plant straight. It transports nutrients, water and food prepared by leaves to all the other parts of the plant. Leaf. The leaf is the plant's kitchen as the food is produced by the leaf. Flower. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. A flower grows into a fruit. It has petals and other reproductive parts, and it usually has fragrance. Types of plants. Trees. Huge and strong plants are called trees. They have a hard and broad stem. It is called the trunk. For example, banyan tree, peepal tree, gulmohar tree. Shrubs. These are much smaller and shorter than trees. They are bush-like plants with multiple stems. For example, rose plant, jasmine, cotton plant. Herbs. These are smaller than shrubs. They have soft and weak stems. For example, wheat, mint, tulsi. Climbers. The plants which need support to grow upwards are called climbers. They have very weak stems and cannot grow upright without the support of another tree or help. For example, money plant, grapevine, creepers. A very weak stemmed plant that spreads and grows by creeping along the surface. For example, pumpkin plant, watermelon. Leaves. Leaves are of different shapes, sizes, and colors. For example, mango leaf, coconut leaf, banana leaf. Life cycle of a plant. Like all living beings, plants too have a life cycle. A baby plant grows from a seed. The sapling or baby plant grows bigger through the years. Different plants live for different spans of time. Some live for many years while others live for a few years and some live for a few weeks or days. Growth of a plant. Plants need air, water, sunlight and nutrients from the soil to grow. Different trees grow in different areas. Some trees that grow in hilly areas are Aphia tree, pine tree. Plants that grow in water, lotus, water lily, water hyacinth. Trees that grow in plains, neem tree, mango tree. Trees that grow in deserts, cactus, palm tree. What do plants give us? Green plants are the only living things on earth that can prepare their own food. Human beings and animals depend on plants for food. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, grains, tea, coffee, and sugar. Some other things we get from plants are wood. The wood of the trunk is used to make furniture. Fiber. Cotton plants give cotton to make clothes, medicines. Plants like tulsi, turmeric, neem, pepper, etc. have medicinal value. Perfumes. Flowers such as rose and jasmine have a sweet smell. Hence, they are used to make perfumes and soaps. Paper. We get paper from trees. Gum. Some trees give us gum. Rubber. The rubber plant gives us rubber. Oil. We get oil from plants like sunflower, peanut, corn and olive, etc. Taking care of plants. Things we should do for plants and trees: water them regularly, plant more and more saplings, add manure to the soil for the plants to grow well, keep potted plants in places where they get proper sunlight and air. Now, some don'ts for plants and trees are: do not cut down trees, do not put indoor plants out in the sun for long, do not pluck flowers, do not step on flower beds while visiting gardens and parks, do not throw trash on flower beds. Let's recall. Number 1, plants are of different shapes and sizes. Number 2, roots, stems, leaves and flowers are the parts of a plant. Number 3, plants need air, water, sunlight and nutrients to grow. Number 4, it is important to take care of plants.